Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you the Costar real estate demo. Costar is a commercial real estate platform used by professionals to research properties, analyze markets, and find investment opportunities. Once you log in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can search for properties by type, location, or filters like square footage, price, and availability. You can also view detailed property profiles that shows ownership history, tenant details, and even images or floor plans. Next, you can use the map tools to analyze market trend in specific areas, like rent growth, vacancy rates, and construction activity. This helps you make smarter decisions when scouting properties or comparing neighborhoods. Then, Costar lets you run detailed reports, track competition, and save your searches for future use. There's also a comps features that shows recent property sales and leases to help with valuation. The platform is powerful, but it can feel overwhelming at first. Still, most professionals rely on it for accuracy, up-to-date commercial real estate data. In short, Costar is a go-to tool for serious investors, brokers, and analysts who need deep insights into real estate market. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.